Hey there, savvy investors. Get ready for an enlightening journey into the world of investing with Warren Buffett's ultimate strategy for financial success. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll discover a game-changing tip that could transform your portfolio. Warren Buffett, the legendary Oracle of Omaha, isn't just about making billions. He's about making investing simple and effective for everyone. One of his top picks, the S&P 500 Index Fund. It's like the Swiss Army knife of investments. Reliable, versatile, and essential for building long-term wealth. Why does Buffett swear by the S&P 500? Picture this. You're not a Wall Street wizard with hours to dissect stock charts. The S&P 500 simplifies everything. It's like having a trusted friend who always has your back financially. No matter what happens in the market, unless it's a real-life Godzilla attack, your money is in a solid place. Buffett loves to share a funny story about his Aunt Katie from Omaha. Despite living modestly, Aunt Katie ended up with a small fortune thanks to her investments. But guess what? She's still worried about running out of money. Buffett would joke that even if she lived to be 986 years old, maybe then she'd run out. Now that's long-term thinking. The lesson here? With the right investments, you shouldn't stress about money. It's about setting yourself up for financial freedom, no matter your age or background. Now, Buffett's partner in crime, Charlie Munger, may prefer Berkshire Hathaway stocks. It's their family business after all. But even he sees the light when it comes to the S&P 500. For most folks, its simplicity and reliability make it a smarter choice. It's like opting for a reliable sedan over a flashy sports car. Gets you where you need to go without the drama. Let's talk peace of mind. Investing in the S&P 500 means less worry and more sleep at night. You're not glued to market news, stressing over every blip. Instead, you're betting on America's long-term success. Historically, the market tends to rise over time. So sit back, relax, and let your money do the heavy lifting. About those fees, investing in the S&P 500 is cost-effective. Unlike fancy managed funds that charge hefty fees, S&P 500 index funds keep costs low. It's like scoring a great deal on Black Friday. More money in your pocket, less in someone else's. Hold on, here's a juicy tidbit. Buffett once bet $1 million that a simple S&P 500 index fund would outperform a group of hedge funds over a decade. Guess what? He won! It's like winning the investing Olympics. This bet proves that simplicity and sticking to reliable investments pay off big time. And let's not forget diversification. The S&P 500 spreads your investment across 500 companies in different sectors. This reduces risk. If one company tanks, others might thrive. It's like having a balanced diet. Everything in moderation keeps you strong and steady. Here's the punchline. Buffett believes investing should be simple. It's about making smart choices and sticking with them. By choosing the S&P 500, you're joining millions of investors who trust in America's growth and resilience. So what's the takeaway? Whether you're new to investing or looking to streamline your portfolio, the S&P 500 Index Fund offers a clear path to financial success. It's Buffett-approved, time-tested, and investor-friendly. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Now let's delve deeper into why Buffett's philosophy resonates so strongly. His approach isn't just about picking stocks. It's about investing in businesses you understand and believe in. The S&P 500 isn't just a random assortment of companies, it's a snapshot of America's economic backbone. When you invest in it, you're betting on the innovation, resilience, and growth potential of the entire nation. Buffett's wisdom extends beyond numbers. It's about mindset. He famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." It's a mantra that encourages smart, contrarian thinking in turbulent times. Speaking of turbulent times, the S&P 500 has weathered its fair share of storms. From market crashes to economic recessions, it has consistently bounced back stronger. That's the power of diversification and long-term thinking. Now let's address a common misconception. The S&P 500 isn't just for the wealthy or Wall Street insiders. It's for everyday investors like you and me who want a simple, effective way to grow their wealth over time. It democratizes investing by offering a piece of America's economic pie to anyone willing to participate. But don't just take Buffett's word for it. Look at the numbers. Over the long haul, the S&P 500 has delivered solid returns. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about steadily building wealth through consistent, disciplined investing. And here's a pro tip. Consider dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount regularly. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility and lets you buy more shares when prices are low. Now imagine your future with the S&P 500 Index Fund as a cornerstone of your investment strategy. It's not just about financial returns, it's about peace of mind and security for you and your loved ones. Buffett's strategy isn't complicated. It's accessible and empowering for every investor willing to embrace it. So, are you ready to take the next step in your investing journey? Join the millions who trust in the S&P 500 and let your investments work for you. Remember, success in investing isn't about luck. It's about informed choices and staying the course. Now let's take a deeper dive into the practical steps you can take to start investing in the S&P 500 today. First, open a brokerage account if you haven't already. Look for a reputable platform that offers low-cost index funds with no or minimal fees. Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab are popular choices. Next, decide how much you want to invest. Remember, you don't need a fortune to get started. Many platforms allow you to invest with as little as $100 or even less through fractional shares. Once you've set up your account and funded it, it's time to make your first purchase of an S&P 500 index fund. Look for funds with a track record of low expenses and consistent performance. The ticker symbol SPY is a well-known ETF that tracks the S&P 500 and is widely used by investors. Now here's where patience comes into play. Investing is a long-term game. While day-to-day market fluctuations can be nerve-wracking, remember Buffett's advice. Focus on the long-term trend and don't let short-term noise distract you. To maximize your investment, consider automating contributions. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment account on a regular basis. This not only ensures you stay disciplined, but also takes advantage of dollar-cost averaging, buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. Lastly, stay informed but avoid becoming obsessed with daily market movements. Check in periodically to review your investments and make adjustments as needed, but resist the urge to make drastic changes based on short-term fluctuations. By following these steps and staying committed to your long-term goals, you'll be well on your way to building wealth with the S&P 500 Index Fund. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's endorsement of the S&P 500 isn't just about following a trend. It's about adopting a timeless investment philosophy. It's about simplicity, reliability, and confidence in America's economic future. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mr. Investor for more valuable insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tips. Drop a comment below. Are you investing in the S&P 500 or considering it? Until next time, happy investing.